Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, I'll show you guys how to make money on YouTube. You guys can make money on YouTube without being monetized. It's pretty easy. You guys just need to watch this video till the end to learn how you guys can make passive income. So this passive income, it's not like if you work you get money, if you don't you don't get money. It's once you do it and you get some people, then it's passive income. It always comes. It always gets better and better. So the level goes higher and higher. Like first you're at level 1, you start at level 1, you go to level 2, maybe 2 weeks later you go to level 10, 3 weeks later you go to level like 50. You get higher and higher and higher. It's passive income, so it never ends. Even if you don't do any work, it never ends. So you don't even have to have a channel, but for this video, I'm just gonna use something else. So what you do is you just need you don't even need anything to sell, you don't need your own product to sell. So let's go on YouTube. Let me tell you guys what you need to do. So what you guys need to do, let's say you guys have a channel and you guys made a video about a camera, about this Canon camera. Then what you guys do is you guys press on one of the videos. I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to get copyrighted. So then let's say you have your own video on your own channel. So let's go to my own channel. So let's say I have this video here. It's about this Canon camera, the brand new one. It's a review about it. So what I do is I literally make money if I do something more important than just doing a review. So guys, before I tell you guys what you guys need to do is make sure you guys click the subscribe button, like this video, stay till the end to join the free giveaway. Hello boss. Yes? What? Only 25? So 25. Are you sure? You positive? Okay guys, my manager just ringed me. He called me, he's like, if this video gets 25 likes, he's gonna send me 25 more of those Galaxy Buds to give away to you guys. So just press the like button, just press it. It's easy, just click it, turn it blue. So my boss is gonna send me 25 more of those brand new Galaxy Buds so I can give it away to you guys. Don't you guys want one of those brand new Galaxy Buds? There's 31 people here, I only have 10. So if he sends me 25 more, then I can give away to all of you guys. So just smash the like button, stay till the end of this video, watch this video 10 times till the end to get 48 hours of good luck. Let's get up to the next level, what I was talking about. Okay guys, so let's say you have a video about this Canon camera. What you do is you go to Amazon, so whatever this is called, you go to Amazon, you sign up for the associated things. Then what you do is let's say you were talking about the camera, you can talk about other stuff too. So for this I just talked about the camera. Then what you do is you choose your favorite camera. Let's say you were talking about this one, not your favorite, like the one you were talking about. Let's say you're talking about this one. What you do is you press on here, then you press on shorten URL, and they give you a shortened one. So what you do is you just copy that, then you go in the description of the video, and at the start of the video make sure you tell them if you guys want to get one of this camera for 15% off or 20% off or something percent off, go check out the link in the description. Don't say it at the end of the video, say it once at the start, once in the at the first one of the quarters, then say it in the middle, then say it at the couple end minutes. Don't say that only at the end, because not all of your viewers are gonna watch it till end. So just go to your video, edit it, write it in the first link in the description, then just say in the video if you guys want it, do this. So the link, they're gonna give you an easy link. Make sure you guys make it short so people can see it properly. So they're not gonna find it on YouTube, of course. I just paste it for you guys. And what happens is that if you guys just put that link and one person buys this, look how much the camera costs, 200. If someone really needs it, and let's say you got 10,000 views on your video, if someone really needs that, of course they're gonna buy it. Let's say that's sales rate. They made 383 sales, 699, 500. If someone buys it, you're gonna get 25% of that, maybe 15%, maybe 20%, maybe even 35%. It depends on the product. Sometimes sometimes they're higher, sometimes the price is lower. So you can make passive income doing this. Maybe like 2 videos can get you like $1,000 per day every day, because once it goes, it's never gonna stop, because every day your video may get like 100 views, 200 views. Then one of those 100 people will buy it, and it's guaranteed that they will buy it because they're watching about it. They need it. They want to know how to use it, so that means they need it first. Before they know how to use it, they need it. Not all of them have it, because they can't go buy it from another shop for expensive. Why didn't they buy it from Amazon just for $199? Like in other, the actual price is $299. They put it for cheaper in here. So you guys can do that to make some passive income. It's pretty easy, yeah? So just get the link. It's pretty easy. Let me show you guys again. Just that. So make sure you guys get a shorter link, or use Bitly to get a shorter link, because it's better to get a shorter link than getting a bigger link, like a long link. Then no one's gonna click on that. No, people are gonna say it's probably hacks or anything. So there's my link if you guys want to buy something. Of course, I'm not doing this video for sales of stuff. So you guys don't have to use the Amazon and what's it called, this Amazon thing, Amazon affiliate program. You guys don't have to use this Amazon affiliate program if you guys don't want to, or if you guys like feel like it's not okay for you, or you guys can't do it. You guys can make money another way from YouTube. So click the like button and subscribe for the next level on how to make money on YouTube. Pretty easy. Let's go. So next one is the same as what we did on the Instagram one. It's not the exact same, so watch it. Don't just click off it. You think it's the same as Instagram. So just Teespring. You sign up for Teespring. You choose something you want to sell. Of course, like all the YouTubers now sell merch. So because you want like a technology thing, you guys can sell merch. You guys can sell T-shirts. You guys can sell like just something you want, like a wall design. So I think the best one, if you guys want to check one, is like a phone case in here. You guys can sell t-shirts, so we're gonna go, because last time I went with the phone case. This time we're gonna go with the t-shirt. I don't know which one, women's t-shirt. What's this one? This. So we're just gonna go with this one. Start with this. Now we can choose the product cost $10, $13, $14. We can go with this. So the right one we can add text, so we're just going to add our channel text. So we can add on the back of anywhere we want. So that's the good thing about this. Let's just search. Let's make it small. So guys, I'm just taking this easy for this video. So this is the front of it. We're gonna have the start smart thing. Now let's hide. Wait, okay, so we're just gonna do it black. Now for the back, we're gonna write another text. We're gonna put it right over here, and we're gonna write this on. Become no, there's nothing you don't see. Let's even short group, and let's say, for example, you guys can write anything you guys want. I'll just write so when I have this on the back, so it's kind of doesn't make sense, but I don't really care because I'm making so much stuff. So what we do is, you actually select where you want the writing. I want it right over here. So do the start smart. Now you guys can add another text. I'm just going to running this to zero stuff. Well, so the right way. It's smooth. And you guys can choose it in color and stuff. So do the smart. So this is left sleeve back. So your left sleeve's back, this is the left sleeve's front. You can add logos and stuff in here. So we're gonna just have writing, and on the back we're gonna maybe add a picture. Let's add our picture settings to better. So we're gonna add just like this thought. So just change this property. Remove the right, so I remove the left. So just add right there. So it's actually not going to be like what it prints, it's just delete it. And image. Rather get this one because the background of that, the right is going to come because they've already downloaded it. So people download features. I mean, look what this is. It's going to school. So just make it small. I think we have to make it smaller. Rest of the code is too low, but still, so we're selling some for $34, and we're making a $10 profit. So that's a good one. You can watch stuff around here too. You can just add logos or some typing, like some big YouTubers does, but we don't have time for that. Then you continue like every time do this. But that's how you do it. And once you do it, you just get the link of it, that link it gives you, and you just go to your channel. When you paste it there, then you guys can paste it like how I paste on my Instagram things. It can come here too. So make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram and press E here. So what you guys do is you go to edit like customized channel. I want to edit the whole thing so you guys know what to do. So in here you press this. So when you press edit link, then you can add links or remove links. So I only have my Instagram link. You can add link if you want to. Like I think the maximum link is like links or 4 links. Oh, it's 5 links. So that's enough. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys click the like button, subscribe, watch this video 2 times to the end and get 24 hours of good luck. Or watch 10 times to the end. Why don't you watch 10 times to the end to get 48 hours of good luck? So guys, as you guys know, my boss told me, he's like, if this video gets 25 likes, your thing is gonna get double. So I only have 10, it's gonna be more than double. They're gonna send me another 25, just brand new Galaxy Buds. And give it over to you guys. Yeah. Happy. Thanks for watching. Bye.